In this video, we're going to look at editing a submission on the Luminos.ai platform. So again, in the Luminos platform, a form is a template for a standard package of information you would want to collect about evaluating a given AI project or initiative or iteration. And a submission is when you actually use that form to do the evaluation. So I'm here on my Submissions Manager page, and I am currently logged in not as the reviewer, but as a data scientist, so a team member who would be responsible to enter information about the project that they're working on. So I'm going to look at, you can see I have two submissions in my list that I'm currently have responsibility for. We're going to click on the second one that we just created in the previous video on Project YYY. And we'll see this risk management framework document has a number of fields that need to be filled in. And some of these are text entry fields with basic information. These are rich text fields, so I can put in information, I can paste, I can format them, I can add links or bulleted lists or paste other kinds of information if I like. You can see one of the features in the system, this yellow splined area, the notes and instructions. These are information that can be provided when you're building a form to the submitters as they're filling it out. This information will not appear in an exported or a final document that comes from this submission, but it's available in context, so people who are using it, they can get some more information about how they should be thinking about filling out a specific field, reference material you want to provide, training videos, or links that they should go to understand the context of filling out this legal document. You also see we have some multi-select fields where you can trigger information. We can build rules based on a number of different fields. So if you want to have specific other fields pop up when somebody clicks a specific box, you can do that. You can have rules based on whether a form is filled out at all or not, or a field is filled out at all or not. And on the Luminos platform, we also have elements which are test elements, which look just like our other test elements or our other elements, but they can actually accept input data and perform statistical or other kinds of testing. So we'll look at that in a separate video. But I did want to show the collaboration platform in this video. While I'm filling out a submission, we have a comments function that works somewhat similar to you may have seen in Google Forms. In this case, I can see a comment on this element that this item has been assigned to me, and so I can use the comments section to reply. I have a question. So I can reply to that in context, so that it's documented the back and forth between the submitters and the reviewers or anybody else you want to pull into the team. You can tag people or you can assign them. When you're done, you can click on the check mark and resolve the conversation, and it drops out of your visibility. You can get it later if you want, but it's at least the open conversations are the ones shown by default. So we'll explore the bias tester later, but for this video, I'm going to go ahead and fill out some information in this form, and then as a submitter, once I'm comfortable that all the information in here represents the current status of this form and is sufficient for it to be evaluated, on this example, I can come click ready for review, and this form is designed such that that unlocks a review section by the approvers who can then sign off and review the information that I provided. I can't edit those because I'm logged in as a submitter right now, but I'm aware that that's the documents at that state, and so my work here is done, and now I'm going to wait for the reviewers to check in the status of what I've done. And that's it for this video.